Welcome to another critter course from the Nature of Wildworks. The Nature of Wildworks is a wildlife facility that houses non-releasable wild animals as well as a few displaced domestic animals and gives them lifetime quality care. Our second mission is that we provide education to the public about our native wildlife and the environments they live in. Today's critter course is going to be on the springtime nesting behaviors of a few of our birds we house here. Hi, my name is Megan and this is our male barn owl, Singer. Now Singer has been with us for almost 2 years and he came to us because he was a former pet who was confiscated and brought to us. And he actually has a pretty exciting story. Last year during the springtime he started making his mating calls and I came in one morning to check on everybody and I looked at Singer and there was 3 owls in his enclosure. And I thought I was going crazy, but I wasn't, and I went to go see Molly and I was like, Molly, why are there 2 other owls in with Singer? And turns out that 2 wild female barn owls heard his mating calls and squeezed themselves through a gap in his enclosure that was about this big and went to Singer because they wanted to be with him. And then the next day there was only one, so he picked the lady he liked and we noticed she was a little skinny, so we decided to let her stay while we fattened her up a little bit before we released her. But then she started laying a little funny on the back shelf in Singer's enclosure and we realized that she was laying on top of eggs. So of course we couldn't release her now that she had eggs to lay on. And a little while later they all hatched and we actually have 4 baby barn owls. And now, like I said, Singer was a confiscated pet, so he's been in captivity his whole life. So we had no clue how he would know what to do with these babies, but he was the best dad in the world. Every single night we would drop their food in and he would go down, pick up the food, feed each baby, and then feed the mom, and then feed himself last. So Singer showed us that animal instincts really come out when they need to, and he was a very good dad.
And this here is Dancer. Dancer is our female barn owl that is about 18 years old now. And she has been with us since she was a tiny chick because she actually fell out of a palm tree when she was very young, still had her downy fluffy feathers on her and was not ready to leave the nest yet. So she came to us since her parents weren't taking care of her and we raised her, and she is now an imprinted bird because she didn't have the parents to teach her to hunt and has lived her entire life with us, which is pretty great. And we know she's nice and healthy because she lays eggs every spring. They're not fertilized eggs because she doesn't have a partner, but she lays her eggs and she sits on them like a good mom would until she gets tired of them, and then she says, okay, take them away. And then she goes about her business just as usual. And she's an excellent animal ambassador for the species, just like Singer is. This is Kestrel. Kestrel is about or almost 21 years old now, which we believe to be the longest living kestrel in human care. He has been with us since he was a little tiny bird. He actually went in with a person to a pet store, and the person went in and said, okay, what do I get for my new pet? And the person at the pet store said, that's not actually a legal pet, sir. And thankfully the person understood and surrendered him, so he came to us where we can properly take care of him. And he's been with us ever since, and he does love people so much that he talks to us all the time and likes to land on the top of our head. And then he really, really loves back scratches now in his old age. Happy down.
This is Dragon, our male red-tailed hawk. He is about 5 years old now, and we've had him since he was under a year old. His story is that he fell out of a nest when he was too young, and so the first thing that he saw when he opened his eyes was a human who had tried to take care of him. And so because of that, he imprinted on people. And so because of this, we kind of think he thinks he's a person. Or he thinks we're all hawks. We're not completely sure. But he loves us, and because of that, he makes another really great ambassador animal for his species.
For joining us for another critter course. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, and you can check out our website to help us. We are a nonprofit facility that relies on donations. Our website is www.natureofwildworks.org.